Hi, and welcome to today's session of question and answer. So Jeff gave us a call during the week and he asked us, how do I make my corporate uniform pop? And we think that's a really important question. Thanks, Jeff, for asking that. Now, what we find is that a lot of people go down a very, very simple generic path. What they do is they go to a catalog, they pick a white or a blue shirt, which is quite easy to work with, and they throw their logo on it. And they feel that that's enough to make their corporate identity and corporate uniform pop. I hate to say it, it's not. It's actually quite generic and it can be relatively boring. Let me ask you this. You spent so much time in making sure your logo looks great, that your office layout was perfect, that your signage is working. And then you go down the path of corporate uniforms and what you say is, let's just take something generic and put a logo on it. And then wonder why it's not working. Well, here's a simple reason and a couple of ways you can make it work. All right, get a company, it doesn't need to be us, it can be any company that listens and understands your needs. They ask you about your colors, how the uniform is going to be worn. That's an important thing. Now, that even comes down to something simple as a white shirt. Because you see, to us, a white shirt isn't a white shirt. What fabric is it? Is it see-through? Is it going to wear well? Is it going to go yellow or grey? They're the questions that we ask ourselves for our clients. So when you're thinking corporate uniforms and you want them to pop, there are elements you can do. A nice little contrast in the shirt, the color of the shirt. In the jacket, you can add a lining. You know, that makes it pop, you know, sort of business on the outside, funky on the inside. So those small little things make such a big difference. It also makes a big difference to the morale of your team that are thinking that they're getting something fashionable versus something generic. So the next time you're thinking about corporate uniforms, think on those lines: fabric, color, and what else can I do to a little bit of detail to make it pop? If you ever need any help, please give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out. Thanks and talk soon.